And this one's optional, but it is pretty handy. You can take, say, your top 5 keyword phrases and plug it in here to get the Amazon autocomplete results. So say golf, if I can spell, golf travel case is one of them. And you just run that. I think you get so many free chances per day on this to run it. All right, and then you can use the HTML table scraper and just do copy table to clipboard in this case, and then go back. We're actually going to go over to the keyword source tab. I'm going to delete this. I don't really need it anymore. All right, and I'm in the keyword source tab here, and I'm just going to click custom list. And this is where you can put any sort of custom list. You can see it pasted in some extra columns as well, but I can just go ahead and delete those. It's not important. I'm just going to hit delete and clear the data there. Just so you have your custom list here. And then, so obviously you could run whatever keyword tool you want to get a custom list and just append to this list to make it as long as you want. You could take maybe your top 5 to 10 phrases, put it back in for the Amazon search bar to get more of these.